Hi everyone and welcome to the first video on knowledge graph based Q&A. In this video we'll be exploring how knowledge graphs can be used to improve question answering systems. In this first video I'll be introducing what knowledge graphs are and why they are becoming an important tool for many industries. First, let's define what a knowledge graph is. A knowledge graph is a type of database that stores information in the form of interconnected nodes and edges. Each node represents an entity such as a person, place, or organization, and each edge represents a relationship between two entities. Knowledge graphs are different from traditional databases in that way they can understand the relationships between entities and use that information to answer complex questions. Let's say, for example, if we ask a traditional database, what is the capital of France? It might return Paris, but if we ask a knowledge graph, what is the capital of France? It might return Paris, which is located in France and is the largest city. This is where knowledge graphs really shine in the field of question answering. By understanding the relationships between entities, knowledge graphs can provide much more context and detail in their answers. So, why are knowledge graphs becoming so important? The reason is very simple. They provide a more human like understanding of the world. With knowledge graphs, computers can now understand and process information in a way that is similar to how humans think and reason. And as we continue to generate more and more data, it's becoming increasingly important to have systems that can make sense of all this information. Knowledge graphs provide a way for us to structure and connect this information in a way that can be easily understood and utilized. Now let's head towards the code. Let me show our approach on constructing the knowledge graph based question answering. This is the GitHub repository for my knowledge graph, and let's download or clone it. Once you have it downloaded, open the folder and use the pip install command to install the requirements. And Spacy's trained pipeline for the English. Once completed, you are ready to do some queries on your data. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.